Good afternoon, everyone. Good to see you again. So this week we are going to be talking about the seasons and the weather that goes along with all of the seasons. Okay, so first let's just look at the cycle of seasons. Oh, I just wiped away the snowflake a little bit. So we can start with this, a beautiful red leaf. We see that red leaves and yellow and orange crunchy leaves in autumn or the fall. Okay, we're going to be talking about that today. But after the fall, it turns to the winter. Winter is a time where it's very chilly and there's snow falling and there's not so much sunshine. After winter, we go to spring with beautiful flowers and new life, and spring turns to summer, the hottest season with lots of beautiful sunshine, which then when we get a little bit colder, we go back into fall. And as you can see, this is a cycle of the seasons that our planet experiences. Can we count how many seasons there are? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seasons. And we're going to be talking about all of them this week. So like I said, today, we're going to start by talking about autumn, or sometimes people can call it fall. Either one is fine. So let's look at some qualities of autumn that make it so special. So we'll actually start down here. As we get into autumn, the days start to get shorter, which means there isn't so much sunshine anymore. We have less sunshine and a bit more cold weather. And this symbol is showing that there's lots of wind and a little chilliness. Now, the reason that we have shorter days is because our planet Earth is revolving around the sun. And when our country is not so close to the sun, our days start to get shorter. There's less sunlight, more darkness. So in the summertime and the springtime, when we are much closer to the sun, there is more sunlight. So that's why in the fall, our days start to get shorter. Now, because of the shorter days, leaves start to change color. So have you ever noticed in the autumn time, green leaves turn to red and orange and yellow and brown? All these different colors of leaves. Did you ever know why or how that happens? So it is related to shorter days in the autumn time. So leaves have a chemical called chlorophyll. Can we all say that together? Chlorophyll. Yeah, that is a big scientific word. But the chemical chlorophyll helps keep leaves green. And chlorophyll needs sunshine to turn those leaves green. So as the days get shorter and there's less and less sunshine, there's less and less chlorophyll in the plants and the leaves, and they can't turn the leaves as green as they do when it's sunny. And so the leaves start to change colors into beautiful reds, orange, and yellow. Okay? The last thing we'll talk about is called pre-hibernation. Has anyone heard the word hibernation before? Maybe. So hibernation really takes place in the winter when animals have a lot of food in them and they sleep all winter and stay nice and warm. So in the autumn time is pre-hibernation, when animals like bears and squirrels and other animals like that start to gather food and get nice and fat so that they have plenty of storage for the winter. All right? So this is autumn in a nutshell, and we'll have an activity about wind in the letter coming out later today. All right? See you later.